Welcome to the Kalistoic. This will be a video series simplifying how to start calisthenics, especially as a beginner to the bodyweight method. It's essentially what I wish I knew before I started calisthenics training. What is calisthenics? It's a training method where you primarily use the weight of your body to act as resistance or load to improve your strength, muscle size, mobility, stability, flexibility, and aerobic conditioning. Simply put, bodyweight training. The challenge many face is making bodyweight exercises intense enough to cause a significant neuromuscular adaptation, better known as changing the liver. That being said, if you're looking to have a bodybuilder's physique with massive bulging muscles, you can always start with purely calisthenics, but later on, you may need the free weights and the machines, but you can still incorporate calisthenics into your training as a seasoned bodybuilder. There are 5 points which I'll comprehensively expand in coming videos, but here's the summary on how to start calisthenics and progressively achieve your fitness goals, whether strength, aesthetic, mental, or a combination of all those. The first point, the non-exercise related variables and choices you need to make and take, which will make the training process easier and is a smart foundational strategy for your general fitness journey. They include 1. Your nutrition choices, which I recommend you speak to a licensed nutritionist if you don't know where to start or if your trainer is certified and qualified to guide you and improve your relationship with food. And 2, your recovery factors such as your sleep, which should be a non-negotiable 7 to 8 hours if you're serious about changing your body and mindset, and also maintaining low to zero stress levels through various methods which help maintain optimal hormonal responses. As you build more discipline and patience, you'll also learn that exercising caters for a huge part of this point. The second point is to prioritize learning and mastering the basic calisthenics movements while fixing your weaknesses, since you'll always only be as strong as your weakest link. These basic movements are simplified to push-ups, pull-ups, dips, squats, and compression. Weaknesses mostly culminate into injuries and stagnation or plateauing if not appropriately addressed. A great way to ensure that weaknesses get fixed is training to achieve structural balance of the body. So pulling strength should be trained to be at par with pushing strength, or flexion trained with the same intensity as extension, since we're mostly using our body weight. The third point is training skills intelligently by manipulating leverages with our weight and center of mass. This allows for the skills to be categorized for beginners or advanced athletes. Beginners are encouraged to start skill training with foundational skills, which are handstands and the different variations, L-sits, pancakes, muscle ups, pistol squats, and skin the cats. Almost all elite level skills stem from these here 6 exercises. They are the easiest to learn, They have minimal joint stress with smart progressions and are excellent for keeping training fun. Fourth point is to design a sustainable and progressive training program, or have one designed for you depending on your requirements such as goals, fitness levels, physical ability, and daily or weekly schedules and routines. The program should prioritize building strength in all desired human attributes such as increased physical ability, speed, agility, balance and coordination, to name a few, but should not neglect building significant muscle composition, since bigger muscles move more weight easier. The final point is to invest in equipment that helps with progression and maintenance of skills and strength. Equipment such as gymnastic rings, parallettes, dip bars, resistance bands, pull-up bars, plyometric boxes, weight vests and dip belts are essential in progressing towards elite strength. You don't need a whole garage gym, nor do you need to acquire them all at once, so calisthenics still remains a minimal equipment training method. Subscribe and turn on notifications to learn how to implement the information you've just picked up when I comprehensively oversimplify them in the coming videos in this series. Thanks for watching.